Stop ringing phone. Hello? Hi. Oh my god. You asked if I had a boyfriend. Yeah, I do. Yeah. Looks like internship.
What?
Yeah, some of my internships. What's yours? Neither am I. Really? No. Are you? Are you still going here? Oh. That's really awesome. I never knew you could call a payphone.
Nice.
I'm gonna be totally honest with you. You're calling a payphone. You're calling a payphone. You called. Oh, there's a number on it. Oh. Alrighty, well, have an awesome rest of your weekend. I think you guys need to have a better social life. What? Oh, I'm sorry.
Bye, sexy.
Bye. This is so... Alrighty, I'm going. Toodles. Alrighty, bye. That is so weird. I never knew you could, like...
My dad's here.